It's Thanksgiving and I've got plenty to be grateful for. What's going on, boys and girls, and happy Thanksgiving. I am Chris, aka Sky Fox FPV Vulpine, and today we've got the November FPV Crate. I'll be honest, last month was rather expected. I mean, anytime there's a TBS crate, it's always going to be some kind of video transmitter and other TBS whatevers, but this one I'm not entirely sure what the theme is, so we dive into it and get on with it. Focus. There we go. All right. So we have. Let's do this blindly. All right. So first off, we have. You know what? I'm not gonna look at that because stickers. I'm gonna say that for last because those usually tend to be a giveaway of what we've got. So first off, we have 10% off store-wide using the code Get Your Own Box. We've got nice little inflatable test tube vials. Always fun. That was disappointing. Moron like that. Can't help it. Ah, yeah! It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. This is what I was expecting in a crate last month. Surprisingly, we did not get any kind of props last month. Whatever. So, 2, 3, the new ethics was P3, peanut butter and jelly. Why P? PBJ? I don't know, but awesome. There's something big in here. I'm not entirely sure what the... I think I know what's in here. So we're gonna kind of go around and loop skids! Alright, so they have green, they have yellow, and they have red, but what they do not have is blue, which is my favorite color. And still no blue, but we have black. We have black. Hopefully they've got the hardware and stuff to put this in, because yeah, I want to throw this on my quads. Peanut butter chocolate. That's gonna be stuck in my head all day. Ooh, I've got, okay, there's like 2 large things in here. One of them I have. Okay. So this was the first thing I got. Well, I got this out of my very first quad box. Un momento, por favor. Okay, yeah. So I got this out of my very first quad box, and so now I've got another one. My buddy Ken says that it's like I'm stabbing a turtle. So, dude, I got another turtle to stab. I better have the rest of the stuff for this. I mean, seriously. Okay, here's what catches my attention, and it is, oh my gosh, it's a brand new Quav S airframe. Holy crap. Wow. Oh, this is nice. All right, so the very first, is that it? No! Yeah, that's it. So we've got the loom skids, but we don't have the stuff to... What's the point? What's the point? Whatever. Anyway. Let's crack this open. So when they announced the Quav S, I was hoping this would be in a box. Eventually, I mean, the first FPV crate, it had the Quav R2, so hey, why not the Quav S? I love getting a frame in a box. Oh yeah, that's right, stickers. So yeah, I saw this and I'm like, okay, I know what we're getting, but we're just gonna set this to the side. Shuriken props. That'd be cool. Oh, that's nice. So I guess that's what the S is for, the Sensei. Hey, I'm not complaining. Man, this is BA. Boom! Customized arm skid. Okay. Does this come with a bottom plate? Wait. Oh no, it's a split bottom plate, kind of like the reverb. Impulse RC reverb. Battery strap? Dang. Is this like a new Kevlar one? Or is this just dang, that's non-slip. There's the battery pad. I like the hardware. The standoffs, that is a very nice color. Dude, I mean, dude! Whoa! Wow. All right. I know, right? Oh, there it is, Sensei. Really fast. All right, so stickers, right on. Props, right on. Skids, between whatever and right on. I mean, it comes with the skids, but they're. Where's the electrical? Where's the? Doesn't fit. Fuck! Alright, so have to contact FPV Crate. Yeah. This one, so you go from oh hell no, big fat goose egg, meh, whatever, right on, groovy, oh hell yeah. This is getting up to number 6 for like badass. Man, did not expect that. All right, so the thank you. Loom skids, squishy, discount coupon code, blah, 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 blah. So what was the coupon code again? Set that off to the side. Get 10% off store-wide FPV Crate using the code Get Your Own Box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, solder tip cleaner. Right on. Yeah, good box. Good box. Very good. Very good box. Man, yeah. My Quav R2 is pretty damaged, so I am probably gonna transfer the stuff over from there to the Quav S. Either that or this is a new cycle. I think this is starting a new cycle, so might hold off on this until get parts in for a full build, and then we'll do a build video from there. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Anyway, that's it for the November FPV Crate. Yeah, definitely planning to be grateful for on that one. So yeah, if you like the box as much as I do, give it a thumbs up. If you thought the box was as lame as you are, give it a thumbs down, but you're not gonna do that, right? Subscribe for some more FPV craziness. Hit that bell icon so you know whenever I post a new video. I've got some plenty of stuff in the works. Till next time, I'm Skyfox. Stay safe, stay sane, stay fly. Later.